Yak Tisai Phaijak Rokno Skill Development ever yak srai sam phorongmani bisingtwi sakchukjak snamnani chaitokmung Tini Sandri Bazar bwkhakteni Birchandra Monu Lachi Campo Yak Tisai Phaijak Rokno yak sraimung phorongmani bagwi kaisa center no pandatwi chengi RWJAKKHA jati gethar muchungyo thaino chengi rekha South Hangkorni alaida Hangkor Naikolphang Hemanta Deborma chengsairnai no karibo tongkha DIGP Krishnendu Chakraborty South District ni Police Super Moria Krishna Chandrasekhar no khoboi juda juda Adong Rokno Kaskungui manjakha Tiprasa hamkrainai kungni dagifang Subhashis Das Koktongo semanka khonani simino Birchandra Monu Lachi Campo Vocational Training Center o khorok thamsi sini ATF Tai Nlft Tini Yak Tisai Phaijak Rokno tui juda juda samu phorongmani phorongjaknai hapangni nasimung nongkha bwskangni salo borok baithangya khoi basarnani abro tuino o saungbatang hnai thaikhanarka kognarnai rok
media personal to Tini fourth pillar of the democracy. So Honorable Belekin Hamairu, Tini or Jaga 2nd April 2025. Tini Kaisa or a vocational training Kaisa program was on Kaliman. Tini no program of the spokesperson Saikanai, Tini party in Kaisa system to Bankilan no scenery one. Ani Yak Tisai Phaijak Nlft Vice President Borong Grang Jacob Rangka Ani Yagra Phaijak Tongo Chini Secretary General Upendra Dia Ini Yak Siwo Tongo Chini Assistant Secretary General Chini Utpol Engineer Utpol Debor Dia tinin program to jun Khadung Khajakan auto Phaileka Sarnani to Abu Kaisa Belen Nonang Chini skill development Jekono development Khainagi to jun Rungani Nonang Sarangmani Gabo Thaklaya. So, Tini program Tini in detail series Secretary General as a spokesperson was Sana.
Tini participants in 37. Or screening committee though, screening committee is a clearance money by night. Borona ID card issue for you. Overall, for the time being about 37 like families, 2 families. 3 families to Chini no cadres, Chini members of the families.
What training scheme of
training in basically Tabu Boro just harmony or LMB, light motor vehicle by electrician over by Chennai. They will all discipline Adong Nai to Boromos has some demand to the Kugun discipline at Kaiti, Kugun trade at Kaiti, subsequently above Kanani.
ধরে আমাদের ত্রিপুরাতে বিভিন্ন রকমের সমস্যা চলছিল যেটা আপনাদের 4th সেপ্টেম্বর 2024 গিয়ে এবং এরপর ultimately 24th September it had culminated a long drawn process. It had culminated on 24th September 2024 at the 7th Battalion TSR Jampuijala. We heartily and on that day also we had heartily welcomed you, all of you, to join the mainstream, and here also I extend my heartiest welcome once again that you have all, at least 37 of you, I am given to understand that 37 of you have come here today, and as I came to know that 3 of them have come with the families and another 7 will be joining. আপনারা এখানে এই স্কিল ডেভেলপমেন্ট ট্রেনিং এর জন্য এসেছেন এবং এই ট্রেনিং আপনাদেরকে আগামী দিনে, কারণ শুধু একটা প্রসেস, এটা একটা অনেকটা লম্বা প্রসেস চলে, যেই প্রসেসের মধ্যে একদিকে যেমন ডকুমেন্টেশনের ব্যাপার থাকে সেই রকম আপনাদেরকে